To be doing today is we are going to be retelling a nonfiction text. So these are the questions that you are going to answer. So I'm going to show them to you first so that when I read the story to you and you read along with me, you know what to look for. So when retelling a nonfiction text, we are going to be we need to know what the main idea is, and you need to list facts that you've learned. And at the end, share your text connection in writing with a family member or in writing. So you're going to be using the frames that are on the screen. So the main idea of the story was I learned about Now I put two things that you learned, but I would want you to retell as much as you can. And then at the end, you put your personal connection. So you say, this story reminded me of, you could say if it reminded you of a book, if it reminded you of an activity you've done, or something you have seen before. So this is a level I, and it's called The Sun. This is a nonfiction text. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So here, it shows you that it's a level I, which is what you want to be at the very end of first grade. Level I is actually the last level in first grade, and J is where you want to be to start second grade. So it says here, how can you describe the sun? I want you to think of some words to describe the sun. I would say huge, hot. I want you to think of others. So on this side here, it says our sun, and then it lists the table of contents. If you recall, the table of contents tells you what page each chapter starts on. So in this case, there are 4 chapters. What is the sun on page 2? Why do we need the sun on page 6? Why is it hot in the summer on page 12? And then the last one is why do we have day and night on page 14? Oopsie. What is the sun? The sun is a star. It is very hot. It is very bright. A star is a ball of hot gas. It gives off heat and light. I need to stop doing that. Oops. Sorry, friends. The sun is very hot. We like to lie outside in the sun. The sun keeps us warm when we are outside. The sun is very bright. We like to put on sunglasses when we go outside. The light from the sun is very, very bright. The captions on the bottom say, the sun is a star that is near Earth. It is the only star that is so near to us that we can feel its heat. The light can hurt your eyes if you look right at it. Even when you have sunglasses on, you should not look at the sun. Why do we need the sun? We cannot live without the sun. We would be very cold without the sun. The sun warms Earth and the air around Earth. The warm air around Earth helps us stay warm. You can see that picture of the sun giving heat to the Earth. Look at these plants. Plants cannot live without the sun. The sun helps plants grow. We cannot live without plants. Plants give us food to eat. Plants give us oxygen to breathe. The sun helps make our weather too. The sun's heat makes water go up into the air. The water makes clouds. The clouds make rain. The rain falls back to Earth. You can see that they labeled the picture: the sun, air, water, cloud, rain, land. Why is it hot in the summer? It is hot in the summer. We get a lot of the sun's light in the summer. Earth travels around the sun in space. The part of Earth that is tilted towards the sun is having summer. So right now, boys and girls, I am recording this in May and middle of May. So we are very, very, very close. We are actually tilted towards the sun, and we're close to having summer. Right now, we're at probably like a month into spring, and a month left of spring, and a month until summer starts. Why do we have day and night? Earth spins around and around. Boys and girls, I'm going to pause right there. Do you guys remember what that's called? Orbiting. It takes Earth almost 24 hours to turn around once. We have day when we face the sun. We have night when we face away from the sun. We cannot live without the sun. And then here at the end, it says, what effects does the sun have on Earth? So you can see here that they did like a kind of like a bubble map. So it's telling you that the sun, what happens when the sun, what the the heat that the heat slash warm air that the sun gives Earth. We also talked about how all of this is necessary, how staring into the sun is not a good idea, how the sun helps plants grow. So, again, I'll post this up here. Feel free to use this so that you can write your answers. And I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye.